Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to episode 2 of Let's Bake with Adnaan on UCTV, powered by Terrace Delights. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies, so let's get started. So here I put the melted butter in a pan on medium heat and I am warming it up and making it bubble until it's golden brown, like you can see. So I've got a mixing bowl here, a whisk, a spatula, and all the ingredients that you saw before in the previous video. Also I browned my butter, which you saw in the previous video as well. So what we are going to do is we are going to add our brown sugar and white sugar to the mixing bowl. And also add the melted butter that we kept aside, the brown butter. So we add that all in as well. And give it a good mix. Once it's all thoroughly mixed with the butter and the sugar, we are going to be adding the 1 egg and the 2 egg yolks. Then we're going to keep mixing till the dough forms. So now the dough's forming. It's going to get quite soft. It's going to be quite soft. It's not going to be like a moldable dough. It's going to be like quite like a soft dough like this. Then what we're going to do is add the milk chocolate chips and the chocolate bar that I chopped up into chocolate chunks. And give that a good fold. We are now going to leave the dough for 15-20 minutes to rest. So I'm going to go pop it in the fridge for 15-20 minutes and they will come back. So now that they are out of the fridge, I am going to be now making round balls about that size. And then popping them on a baking sheet. Make sure you space them apart. I do roughly 6 on a sheet. I've done 5 as they are quite big. So yeah. These will go in the oven at 175 degrees for 10 minutes. So they are crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. So these have come out the oven, the 5 chocolate chip cookies that I put in. Look at them, they are soft and gooey. So I'm going to put the next batch in and bake them off as well. Jazakallah for watching, guys. See you in the next episode.